Alright guys, this is actually the first time I've ever had to warranty a tool from Kobalt at Lowe's, and I was in there yesterday and wanted a replacement to this. This is the replacement, but I wanted a replacement and they didn't have any that were loose, single items. They were all pre-packaged in an assortment. So what happened is I was taking a screw that fit this properly, okay, out, and it was very, very tight. The other ones came out easy. It was to a pit boss grill that I wanted to take some screws out to pull a safety thing, and it actually took the tip of the screwdriver and it was the side that it just chipped away half of it. So I thought, no big deal, they're warranted for life. So I went to the returns area with my broken one. I already had looked, I didn't see any, so I took a package with me that had it in it. There was multiple ones in there, and the young girl there at the return desk at the customer service area, she said, no, we can't break them. You have to get it separate. And I said, okay, and she didn't know what else to do. So I asked for a manager. One of the guys, assistant or whatever he was, said that, verified that you can't pull one out of a package, which makes sense. You don't want to break it open, for the sake of one tool. He did say what I would have to do is bring that whole set in and return the whole set and then take that. I said, well, first off, I said, I have several different kinds of sets. I said, I don't even know what this came with. So I said, that was ridiculous. So that wasn't going to be the answer. Well, then I was told that what you could do is I would have to order it. I'd have to call, because I thought maybe they could order one into the store, and then, I've ordered stuff into the store, but for warranty, I'd have to call them and they would send it to the house. That's no big deal. So the assistant manager, we walked over just to verify I hadn't missed anything. There was nothing there. And he did warn me that he says because of the issues we've been having with the medical, since what? I don't know, early last year, 2020, and ongoing now with the, with the virus, I'll say. The lack of customer service support, he said you could be on the phone a long time. So I said, well, can't you call them? Maybe Monday call them and order one in, to help me out. Now, he said they use the same phone number as we do. I will call his bluff on that because I don't believe that. I do believe they have an inside track that you and I aren't going to be able to do. So anyways, I said, well, you know what? That being the case, I told the guy, I said, I'm going to buy this set, go out to the car, pull out the affected screwdriver with the broken tip, just replace it and come back in. He kind of shook his head, yeah, I know, and I thought, well, that's what I'm going to do. So that's what I ended up doing. Actually the assistant supervisor says when you do it that way, he says, we get credit on the whole set. So they're not out anything, and, like he said too, we can't carry everything in the store, and I would have called them if it wasn't for the fact that I can't be on the line that long just for a simple screwdriver. So I'm just wondering if you guys have had any issues like that trying to call. Was it a long time? Did you just do what I did? Because that's what I'll do in the future. They have something like this, it just doesn't make sense for me to screw around, especially if you've got to stay on the line a long time. It just doesn't make much sense.